In order to properly give Roblox camera access, if you are doing this on an Android or iOS device, you need to give it permissions by going to the app info page. You can do so on Android by holding down on the Roblox app icon, selecting something along the lines of app options and selecting app info. Alternatively, open up the settings on your phone and look for the apps option. Of course, this differs from each phone, but on my Xiaomi phone, I can look for apps in the settings, go into the apps tab, and manage apps. From here, look for Roblox in the app and go into its app info. In the app info tab, like I said, just look for permissions, and as you can see by scrolling down, I can open up the app permissions tab. In here, you can give it camera permissions, contact permissions, files and media permissions, and microphone permissions, which is very important if you wish to use voice chat within Roblox. After you give it camera permissions, you can open up the app and start using it right away.